Yan. Nagpuuna.
Next is the award for the best smile. This award goes to
Alec!
Natasha Alvarado. My sister po si Mr. Alex Andre
Natasha Alvarado, what can you say about this award?
He said he's so happy. He is happy.
Hoy, tama na, baka mailas ka.
Thank you.
Haba.